Today I was able to teach my student the basics on sine, cosine, and tangent, like sine equals opposite over hypotenuse, cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent equals opposite over adjacent. I taught her these little ways to remember that. I tried to explain to her through a problem that she brought to me. It was a girl is looking 75 degrees up at a kite. Oh goodness, I'll just pretend that's a kite, and the kite is 62 feet up. And how long is this kite string? So she figured out that this is the hypotenuse that we're trying to find, and then I asked her what sine, cosine, or tangent she could use, and then do algebra to find the hypotenuse, and then she correctly chose sine. And then it started falling apart when she was writing the equation, I guess. She had some trouble writing the equation. Eventually, I had to handhold her through it, and I guess that was a red flag that she had not understood as much as I hoped she did. And then when I asked her to isolate H, things fell apart even more. I'm not sure if it was just the new format of the sign that confused her, or she actually does not know how to isolate variables. But she said divide by H, and I spent a little bit of time telling her that it was not divide. You multiply by H, and that cancels out the hypotenuse on that side, and then adds it on this side. I knew then that I had to kind of step in and then probably do a practice problem for her. So that's what I did. I told her you divide by H, and you multiply by H, so you divide by sine 75 on both sides. And that cancels this out, and you're left with H equals 62 over sine 75. And then you probably at this point probably doesn't even know the unit circle or any of that stuff. So I'm going to assume she has to plug into a calculator. We ran out of time because of small problems like her not communicating properly with me and other stuff like that. But I was not able to confirm if she properly understood the concepts or not because we ran out of time, and she was never in that hour able to solve one of these kite questions on her own. During the next tutor session, she definitely needs more practice on that, but every single time I've tutored this student, she has switched topics, so I'm afraid she may not get the tutoring that she needs to understand this, but I guess we'll have to see. And that's it.